Hello everyone. Today I am showing you how you can use my collage kit to elevate a postcard or a photo of someone that you love into a work of art. I decided to use this postcard of someone named Father Doyle. He recently passed, but Father Doyle he was a revolutionary. There's no other way to explain him. He once broke into the post office to steal draft notices to protest the Vietnam War. He was really about it. But during all the white flight in the 80s and 90s, he stayed committed to the city of Camden, never leaving. And because of that, people from all over the region continued to donate to the parish that he was with, which happens to be the same school that I'm an art teacher at. So that explains how I know so much about Father Doyle. But when I told him that I was naming my unborn son at the time, Camden, he just lit up. And, this man was in his 90s at this point. And to know that someone new was coming to the world named Camden just lit him up. And he just told me so much about the history of Camden and how the city got its name. And so I just want to honor him. So I'm using my kit, which I sell at the Fashion Design Center of South Jersey. And I am taking out all the things that you need to create a collage, all types of texture of paper, Mod Podge, scissors, sponge, and a small canvas. So no matter where you are, if you are at the airport or you're at home, you have everything you need to work on this project. So right now I'm just trying to decide on placement. I've cut the postcard into 2 pieces. Now I'm cutting it into a 3rd piece so I can move things around in a way that makes sense to me. Next, I am going to think about the colors that I want to use in this arrangement. Father Doyle was so special. I want to have this glitter right behind the back of his head. Cover up that cutout with the glitter. So I'm just making decisions, that make sense to me. The sky is blue, so I want to have blues in the arrangement, but also the water is kind of murky. That's the Delaware River, and so it's real murky. So I have some gray down there. Just making decisions, getting rid of things that don't really serve the composition. And then once I have my decisions made, at that point you can take a picture of what you just did and then go back and paste everything down. But I just like to have an idea so that I can still remain flexible and continue to use my intuition to put things back into place. Now I'm using Mod Podge. Mod Podge is not a glue per se. It holds things down, yes, but it also goes on top of your artwork, kind of like a glaze. And so it's really special. Instead of glue, which was great to hold things in place, Mod Podge also seals things into place. So if your kids touch it with their little sticky fingers full of candy or chocolate, it could just wipe away because the Mod Podge puts that glaze layer on top. So now I'm just putting things in place. Using my sponge, which comes included in the kit, and deciding how I want things to be permanently attached to the canvas, which also comes included in the kit. And as you see, I'm putting Mod Podge on top of each layer, creating that seal, creating that glaze. So my whole mindset was to have Father Doyle sail off into the sunset. And so here you have it. Rest in peace, Father Doyle. For Valentine's Day or for birthdays, it's amazing to take someone's picture and elevate it into a work of art and give it to them as a gift. So you can purchase this and other DIY kits at Fashion Design Center SJ.com. Enjoy.